तो पहली एंट्री क्या होती है, पैसा आ रहा है अगेंस्ट एप्लीकेशन, सो इट इज बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट. यस, देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग? शेयर एप्लीकेशन यू गोइंग टू रिवर्स. आर्यन विल टेल मी. आर्यन बताओ. टू शेयर कैपिटल. तो ये तो हो गई हमारी नॉर्मल एंट्री. एंड आफ्टर दिस if you have to transfer to premium, if you have to create premium, I told you ना application के साथ premium का पैसा आ रहा है, then what will be the addition here Aditya?
Premium
two securities premium. Yes, so this additional entry is going to come when you are receiving application money with premium, right? Okay. Third entry, अगर अलॉटमेंट का पैसा प्रीमियम के साथ आ रहा है, मैत्री यू टेल मी, फॉर्म दी एंट्री.
So share allotment account debit.
शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट. ऑल राइट.
To security.
कैपिटल को क्रिएट कर.
To share capital to.
Exactly. Without creating share capital, how can we simply create premium? Just premium. It's going to be same only बेटा. ये देखो ये शेयर कैपिटल आने वाला है as it is, और सेम ऐसे ही प्रीमियम आने वाला है. It's just that instead of application now it's going to be allotment. और आपको उस दिन बताया था मैंने, आज अभी भी डिस्कस किया था कि अलॉटमेंट की एंट्री पहले ड्यू करते हैं, उसके बाद अलॉटमेंट का पैसा आता है, बिकॉज पब्लिक विल अप्लाई एंड देन लेटर कंपनी विल अलॉट, एंड वंस कंपनी अलॉट्स देन ओनली द कंपनी विल रिसीव मनी. दैट इज द प्रोसीजर. सो हियर यू विल रिसीव मनी फर्स्ट, बट हियर कंपनी को पता है कि हाँ हमें पैसा आने वाला है, लेकिन किन शेयर होल्डर से पैसा आएगा, जिनको हम अलॉटमेंट करेंगे. Otherwise to other shareholders we might have to refund the money, isn't it? अगर रिफंड करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हम later on जाके इसको टू बैंक करने वाले हैं, we refund the money. So all that I'm going to teach you under over subscription. पर वो over subscription काफ़ी टफ है, वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए पहले हमारे बेसिक्स एकदम क्लियर होने चाहिए. Understanding? That's why I'm revising it again. अब अगर बताओ मुझे क्रिश, आपको फर्स्ट कॉल के साथ प्रीमियम का पैसा आ रहा है, फिर रिसीविंग प्रीमियम विद फर्स्ट कॉल, देन व्हाट यू गोना डू?
reverse this bank push.
हाँ, that you will reverse. You will take the money. That is okay. उसके बाद I'm asking you first call money due कैसे करोगे?
First share, first call, to share capital to securities.
देख के बोलना पड़ रहा है, याद नहीं आ रहा है.
वो याद नहीं था.
क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? इसको देख के बनाओ ना एंट्री. जैसे आपने यहाँ पे शेयर अलॉटमेंट को डेबिट किया है, सेम वे आप यहाँ पे शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल को डेबिट कीजिए. कर सकते हो कि नहीं? एंड द वे यू हैव क्रेडिटेड शेयर कैपिटल एंड सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम, सेम वे नाउ यू विल क्रेडिट शेयर कैपिटल एंड सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम इफ प्रीमियम इज रिसीव्ड विद फर्स्ट कॉल. मैंने आप लोगों को होमवर्क दिया था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हैव यू ऑल डन दैट? समझ आया वहाँ पे कैसे टू सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम क्रिएट हो रहा है? जिस स्टेज के साथ प्रीमियम होता है उस स्टेज में आपको प्रीमियम क्रेडिट करना है. और प्रीमियम क्रेडिट कौन सी वाली एंट्री में होता है? प्रीमियम क्रेडिट हमेशा जब आप टू शेयर कैपिटल वाली एंट्री करते हो उसी के साथ टू सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम क्रेडिट होता है. इट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी विद टू शेयर कैपिटल वाला एंट्री. इट विल नेवर बी विद बैंक एंट्री. जब आप बैंक में पैसा रिसीव करते हो, आप बैंक में पैसा प्रीमियम के साथ रिसीव करते हो. But when you transfer the money to share capital, then on that time itself you will be transferring to share securities premium as well. Share capital में कौन सा पैसा जाता है? Share capital में सिर्फ और सिर्फ face value जाती है. So any money which is received over and above the face value, which is premium, has to be separately credited to a separate account which is known as securities premium account. Got it? Okay. Now can we go ahead with under subscription? Right now. Give the heading under subscription. Under subscription of shares. Under subscription of shares. Now look here and try to understand this particular process. Company is inviting shares. Now for an example, if company invites 10,000 shares from the public, and public applies for 9,000 shares, in such a case what's happening? Public is applying for less shares. When public applies for less shares, we call it under subscription. कि public ने कम subscribe किया है. This applies is what? This applies is nothing but subscribed. Yes? Invites का दूसरा word क्या होता है? मैंने आपको बताया था. एक तो issued होता है, एक allotted होता है. Yes? Got it? So issued capital or shares allotted or shares invited, they all mean the same, and this is all done by the company. And subscription कौन करता है? Public subscribe करती है, public apply करती है. So when, write down, when shares invited by the company is more than the shares applied by the public, it is known as what? It is known as under subscription. I hope this is clear. Yes? And now, if I reverse this particular scenario, oversubscription हो जाएगा. So that we are going to study next. Okay? Now in under subscription, what you are going to do? अगर ऐसा scenario है आपके question में दे रखा है scenario clear कर. So are you going to do all the journal entries with 10,000 shares, or are you going to do all the journal entries with 9,000 shares? Or are you going to do all the journal entries with a differential amount which is 1,000 shares? क्या करोगे? सोचो. आपको पैसा कितने शेयर्स पे आ रहा है? तो सारी की सारी एंट्रीज 9,000 के हिसाब से होंगी. You will forget this. Just forget it. अगर क्या रूल है कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 का? If minimum 90% of the shares invited are being applied by the company, then company can go ahead, company can proceed with allotment of shares. 90% हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे? 90% of 10,000 is 9,000. So company can definitely go ahead with allotment here. And all the entries, all the journal entries which you're going to be passing is going to be with the shares applied by the public. Just forget about the invited shares by the company. वो भूल जाए.
What happens if it's less than 90%? How do you route it?
You will not get such questions in your this thing. If it is less than 90%, then company will wait for more public to apply. Okay, wait करते हैं कि हाँ थोड़ा और हो जाएगा, फिर हम proceed करेंगे allotment के साथ. So company might hire jobbers, company might hire underwriters, agents, ताकि वो public को जाके approach करें और public पैसा लगाए. Some kind of advertisement company will try to do out. तो ये तभी होता है जब कोई कंपनी अननोन है. जो कोई नॉन कंपनी है मार्केट में, उसको उसमें तो ये सिनेरियो रहता ही है. उसमें तो हमेशा ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन ही होता है. लाइक जियो लिमिटेड, डेफिनेटली ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन. पब्लिक विल वेट फॉर देयर आईपीओज. इन फैक्ट अभी डीमार्ट का आईपीओ हुआ था, डेफिनेटली ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन बिकॉज पीपल न्यू कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल. डीमार्ट हैज बीन डूइंग वेरी वेल एंड डेफिनेटली इज गोइंग टू ग्रो मोर. सो पीपल परचेज. सो इन सच केसेस जहाँ पे आपको गारंटी है कि हमारा पैसा डूबने नहीं वाला, वहाँ पे तो ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन हो ही जाती है. अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन कब होता है? And people is not sure about the company, when people are not aware about some companies. In such a case, you can expect some kind of under subscription. Now can we go into the journal entry? Journal entry is going to be exactly the same what we studied. कुछ changes नहीं होने वाले journal entry में. बस आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पे कि जो under subscribed shares है, जो shares public ने apply किए हैं, सारी की सारी journal entries आपको बस उन number of shares से करनी है. That's it. Only that is the change. Otherwise the journal entry remains the same. Clear it? Okay. Come to question number 7. I hope all of you have done 6 questions. You have prepared bank account, you have prepared the balance sheet of Happy Days Limited. All that is done. I'm going to check your notebooks. You have to. Urja, have you done the homework? So the complete thing even the balance
I
sheet.
just have to, like, I did the notes to account, but I did the balance sheet.
Face of the balance sheet banana is just a
Yeah,
matter of
I
2
was
minutes.
confused how to, like, what to write for security. So we make a notes to account.
See, securities premium जो है, securities premium will go under reserves and surplus. Okay, and your authorized, issued, subscribed, all that will go under share capital.
Security premium amount.
See now, look at the third entry what you have passed. In the third entry, how much have you credited securities premium with? 6 lakhs.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after that, you have utilized 75,000 securities premium for share issue expenses.
Right.
So out of 6 lakh, you will minus 75,000. So how much will you transfer to reserves and surplus? Remaining 5,25,000 you will transfer to reserves and surplus. जो पैसा पड़ा है अकाउंट में वही तो बैलेंस शीट में दिखेगा ना. तो डेबिट माइनस क्रेडिट, क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट, जो भी डिफरेंशियल अमाउंट होगा दैट विल बी टेकन टू बैलेंस शीट. क्योंकि बैलेंस शीट में क्या जाता है, बैलेंस शीट में आपका लेजर का क्लोजिंग बैलेंस जाता है. तो अगर आप सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम का लेजर बनाते हो, सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम में आप लिखोगे बाय इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन नहीं अलॉटमेंट पे बाय इक्विटी शेयर अलॉटमेंट 6 लाख. फिर आप वहाँ लिखोगे 2 शेयर इशू एक्सपेंसेस 75,000. तो अल्टीमेटली लेजर में कितना बैलेंस फिगर बचा 5,35,000 which is to balance calendar. So that is going to be carried to your balance sheet. The closing balances of the ledger. Krish, are you listening?
Yes.
Your basics have to be really clear here. The closing balance of the ledger is transferred to balance sheet. because वो टीवी में जाता है, टीवी से बैलेंस शीट में जाता है. तो टीवी में क्या जाता है, लेजर के क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. लेजर के क्लोजिंग बैलेंसेस कैसे निकाले जाते हैं? whatever account you have debited, whatever if the same account is also being credited, you will take the differential amount. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम आपने कितने में क्रेडिट किया था? आपने थर्ड एंट्री में सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम 6 लाख से क्रेडिट किया था. आंसर नहीं सॉल्व किया, आर्यन ने भी नहीं किया. आप लोगों को मजाक लग रहा है कि मैम होमवर्क दे दिया, अरे एक ही तो क्वेश्चन है क्या करना है करके. यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इवन दैट वन क्वेश्चन एज अ होमवर्क विल हेल्प you to develop your basics. I've given you just one question so that you will be able to do it. इतने दिनों में एक क्वेश्चन नहीं किया आप लोगों ने.
दूसरा क्या बोल
फ्राइडे की तो क्लास भी कैंसिल हो गई थी. एक क्वेश्चन ही तो था, आधे घंटे की बात थी. उतना टाइम तो निकालो घर पे पढ़ने के लिए. आज मैं भी पेपर्स चेक करके मार्क्स भेजने वाली हूँ घर पे. लेट मी सी हाउ यू गाइस हैव डन योर टेस्ट. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दिस चैप्टर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. ये चैप्टर स्ट्रेट मार्क्स, ये वाले चैप्टर का स्ट्रेट मार्क का एक क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको कितने मार्क्स का बताया था? स्ट्रेट अवे 10 मार्क्स इन योर एग्जाम. बताया था कि नहीं? एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन आने वाला 10 मार्क का हर अटेम्प्ट में आता है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू माइट गेट सम मोर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. वेयर मिनिमम 10 मार्क्स का तो आने ही वाला है एक क्वेश्चन. तो अगर आपके बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं होंगे तो बेटा मैं एडवांस पे कैसे जाऊंगी? अभी तो मैंने इस चैप्टर का कुछ एडवांस पार्ट चालू ही नहीं किया है. It's going to be really tough. Let me warn you now only. This chapter is already going on in my ISC tour, the batches in St. Mary's batch and Nogari batch, and everybody is finding it difficult. Because the chapter is such. I'm going to teach you some tricks, don't worry about that. And we're going to crack those questions with those tricks and with that table. But उसके लिए आपका base clear होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Please do it, okay? In the third entry, you're going to be crediting the securities premium with 6 lakh. And in the last entry, you will be reversing the securities premium with 75,000. So remaining to differential amount of 5,25,000 that you're going to transfer to balance sheet under the head reserves and surplus. कौन सा क्वेश्चन कर दिया आपने देखते हो?
ग्रुप पे था वो क्वेश्चन. ग्रुप पे नहीं था इसका. ग्रुप पे जितना है पूरा didn't have the question.
अच्छा, maybe in the last lecture I did not said it ना, Wednesday को जो हुआ था, but I made you take in the class. Illustration 6 दिया था, बताया भी था कि होगा. Please आज कीजिए जरा.
There is Samza written in his book.
तो ये नहीं हैप्पी डेज वाला है उसमें. Maybe 5 होगा, 7 होगा, आगे पीछे होगा थोड़ा बहुत. हैप्पी डेज नहीं है. Yours is not last year's book, it's पहले का. हाँ, फिर हो सकता है ना. So you take the screenshot, okay? I'll put it on the group and you practice that. Okay, come to illustration 7 now, all of you. Illustration 7. Illustration 6 is still your homework. I'm not going to do that. मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग में भी लिख दिया ताकि आप लोगों को याद रहे अगर आप रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहे हो. Are you guys watching the recording anytime? Revision करते हो recording से? Okay, what's happening? Look at the question. Let's try to summarize the question first. Always summarize the question first. That is the best thing to do. Okay? क्या दिया है? Shiva Limited issued 2 lakh shares. So company कितने shares issue कर रही है? कंपनी कितने shares issue कर रही है? 2 lakh shares. अभी तो just बोला मैंने sentence. Yes? Of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. Okay, what is the face value? All of you look at the board. सब लोग अभी कुछ नहीं लिखोगे, पहले समझ के लो. What is the face value? Face value.
10 rupees.
See, जब तक terms ही नहीं पता होगी तो कैसे काम बढ़ेगा? 10 rupees is the face value. Okay. Premium कितना है? Premium is 10%. अब ये जो 10% होता है कौन से अमाउंट का होता है? ये हमेशा फेस वैल्यू का होता है. So you always need to understand that premium is always calculated on face value. In the next chapter we're going to do issue of debentures. In that discount will also be there. Discount is also always calculated on face value. Face value ही base लेना है हमेशा. So 10% of 10 rupees is how much? It's going to be 1 rupee. So what's your total issue price? 11 rupees. तो 11 रुपए से के हिसाब से आपको पैसा पब्लिक से आएगा. What is the breakup? शेयर कैपिटल में 10 रुपीज जाएगा और प्रीमियम में 1 रुपीज जाएगा. Clear? Next, payments were to be made as. अब देखो ब्रेकअप दिए 11 रुपए का, 11 रुपीज का ब्रेकअप निकालिए. एप्लीकेशन पे कितना है? On application it is ₹5 including premium. So tell me the breakup of 5 rupees. It's going to be 4 plus 1. 4 rupees face value रहने वाला है. Face value कहाँ जाता है? Face value हमेशा शेयर कैपिटल में जाता है. And 1 rupees premium है. Premium कहाँ जाएगा? Premium में जाएगा. Premium will be taken over, transfer to securities premium. Allotment rupees. So this time there is no premium with allotment. And first and final call. That's going to be ₹2. So check. 5 plus 4 plus 2. Does that gives you 11?
Yes.
हो गया tally? Now proceed further. Applications were received for 1,80,000 shares. Public ने कितने shares apply किए? Public applied for 1,80,000 shares. तो अब मुझे बताइए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन हो रहा है. क्लियर? एंड वी डिस्कस दैट इन अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन व्हाटएवर शेयर्स पब्लिक इज अप्लाइंग फॉर, इसके हिसाब से ही आपको पैसा आने वाला है, इसके हिसाब से ही आपको एप्लीकेशन मनी आएगा और इसके हिसाब से ही कंपनी विल गो फर्दर एंड डू द अलॉटमेंट एंड रिसीव द फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल. So here now your focus is 1,80,000 shares. Forget the 2 lakh shares. Just forget it. Once it is under subscription, once you have realized that, just forget the shares which company is planning to invite. Clear है? Next क्या दिया है? Pass necessary entries in the books of the company and also show the balance sheet of the company. हम यहाँ balance sheet फिर से बनाएंगे. Again I will show you कि किस तरीके से आप journal entry से balance sheet बनाते हैं. So that you can do 6th problem on your own. Clear है? चलो, let's go. So once this summary is ready, once you have understood the question, make a journal and start passing the journal entries. Write down in the books of Shiva Limited. Journal entries. ठीक है? Yes? Okay. So what is the first entry always? Bank account debit to equity share application account or share application account if equity shares is not mentioned to us in the question. Now check, क्या उन्होंने दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में कि इक्विटी शेयर्स इशू किए हैं? No, they have not said anything in the question. जब क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं बोला तो let's just be share application because we don't know whether it's equity shares or preference shares. है? What is the date? They've not given us a date as well. So you can do it serial wise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive the money first. Bank account debit to share application account. ये वाली एंट्री सब बच्चों को क्लियर है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अभी. ओके चलो आदित्य ना यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट हियर.
According to 5 rupees.
Yeah, you will receive money with premium 5 rupees and you will receive it on 1,80,000 shares. तो यहाँ ब्रैकेट में आपको लिखना पड़ेगा 1,80,000 into 5. How much is that? 9 lakh. So take the money. 9 लाख रुपए आपको पब्लिक से आ गए. Write down the narration as well. Being share application money received on 1,80,000 shares. That's it. We're done. The first entry. Is it understood? Okay. Pooja, tell me what's going to be the next entry.
Share application account to share capital to securities bill.
Perfect. Good. Share application. Reverse the share application. And capitalize, transfer, create share capital. I told you that you need to, the temporary account which you're creating share application, now you have to cancel that and reverse it and finally take the amount to the share capital. But if the money is received with premium, you need to create premium account as well. And premium is always created with share capital वाला entry and not bank वाला entry. ये आपको shortcuts बता रही हूँ याद रखने के लिए कि बैंक के साथ कभी भी securities premium नहीं लेना. It will always be with due entry, not with received entry. Okay. Tell me how much money are you going to transfer to share capital? It's going to be 1,80,000 into the face value. Face value, not 10. What is the face value?
4.
4 is the face value. So 1,80,000 into 4 and 1,80,000 into 1. 1,80,000 into 4 is how much?
7 lakh.
7,20,000. And 1,80,000 into 1 will be 1,80,000. That's it. Write down the narration. The application money transfer. Krish, is this entry clear?
Yes.
Now go ahead with allotment money due. I told you पहले allotment को due किया जाता है and then later you receive the money. So share allotment account debit to share capital. Do we have premium with allotment? No, we don't. And what is the amount? 1,80,000 into, what is the face value of allotment? The face value of allotment is 4. So 1,80,000 into 4, that is how much? 7,20,000. Write down the narration. B, allotment, money due. Is this clear? allotment money due. All right. Next. Tell me, Maitri, fourth entry, come on.
So we received the allotment.
Correct.
So bank account everything share.
Exactly. Bank account debit. Share allotment account, simple. Receive the money. 7,20,000. 7,20,000. Big allotment. Money. Received. Aditya, tell me the next entry.
Share first and number call account
Hmm.
to share capital.
Perfect. Do the first call. Share. First and final. Call account debit. To share capital account. कितने से ड्यू करोगे 1,80,000 into 2 rupees. Correct? You already have to break up. So 1,80,000 into 2 is how much? That's going to be 3,60,000. Remuneration being first call money due. That's it. Just keep writing the word due. Aryan, tell me the last entry. अब क्या करना है? फर्स्ट कॉल मैंने ड्यू कर दिया, उसके बाद क्या करना है?
9 to 45.
Perfect. Receive the money. And why didn't you come for the test, Aryan? So now, when are you planning to give it Maitri and Aryan? Anytime is fine, but obviously it will not be possible क्योंकि immediately यहाँ के बाद अब स्कूल भागना है और 9:45 से पहले क्या ही आओगे तुम लोग? It's difficult for me also coming before that. अभी नेक्स्ट छुट्टी कब है आपकी? कल है हनुमान जयंती की छुट्टी. So you guys don't have. Otherwise the bishops is closed tomorrow for Hanuman Jayanti, I guess. For the small children it is, I'm not sure for you guys.
I think they'll tell us today.
Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll keep the test papers here, and in case tomorrow it's your holiday, you're coming for economics. So both of you are not there for economics. That's fine. You can come for the test. Then tomorrow Kansha ma'am will be here. What time is your class? Same time. Which class?
Maths.
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं ना, मैथ्स क्लास के बाद आ जाओ ना. मैथ्स क्लास कितने बजे खत्म होगी? हाँ तो कल कॉलेज नहीं है ना बेटा, इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ. अगर कल कॉलेज आपका नहीं रहा, कल स्कूल अगर नहीं होता है तो 11 बजे आप दोनों आके टेस्ट दे दो. ठीक है? Okay? Done? B. First and final. Call money. Received. The other day Gunjan was telling me that she will not be available now from when? वो बोल रही थी ना कि मैं नहीं आऊँगी. From now on only, no? From this week only, है ना? She was saying she will not be there for 1 month or 2 months, something like that. She was saying.
Yeah.
ठीक है, sorted, done, alright. So this is under subscription. Extremely easy. ज़्यादा कुछ यहाँ है नहीं करने के लिए. Now tell me how you're going to prepare the balance sheet. वो ठीक है. बैलेंस शीट में मुझे ये बताओ कि कितना पैसा आप कहाँ ट्रांसफर करोगे, लुकिंग एट द जर्नल एंट्री. These are your journal entries, right?
So we do 1,80,000 for share capital.
Exactly. Whatever money is gone to share capital, 7,20,000, 7,20,000, 3,60,000. If you total this up, this will give you 1,80,000 into 10. That will give you 18 lakh. आप इसको total करो 720, 720, 360 आपको 18 lakh ही आएगा. Yes. So this 18 lakh will go to where? This 18 lakh will be transferred to subscribed and fully paid up capital. And authorized हमें नहीं पता, क्वेश्चन में authorized के बारे में कुछ नहीं दिया. But issued we have. We know that company had issued 2 lakh shares. So to issued जाएगा 2 lakh जाएगा issued में, 1,80,000 जाएगा subscribed में, and premium जाएगा reserves and surplus में. ये securities premium will be transferred to reserves and surplus. Yes. Correct now? Make a balance sheet quickly. I'm coming there and checking all of the balance sheet. That you have done now multiple times. अब वो मुझे करवाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You will have to. One note will be share capital, second will be reserves and surplus, another one will be cash at bank. Why cash at bank? Because they have said to prepare balance sheet. They haven't said prepare share capital. है ना? So you will not just prepare share capital. You will have to complete the entire balance sheet. And now look at the journal entries, all of you. सबसे पहले आपको ये पता चलता है कि okay, you're creating two share capital, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? That will go to subscribed and fully paid up capital. Look here, all of you. And what is the next ledger account you have created here? The next ledger is you have created two securities premium. Where will securities premium go to? Reserves and surplus. Okay, then next, what is the next ledger account you have created? Bank account every time. So where will the total of the bank account will go? It will go to cash at bank. So you will take total of all the bank balances, which is 9 lakh, then 7,20,000, then 3,60,000. Add it up and show it in the notes to accounts, these three amounts. And check if your balance sheet is tallying. Your balance sheet should tally here. Because whatever money you are receiving, that money is itself segregated amongst share capital and premium. So the balance sheet should tally. Pooja, I'll update you about when I'm starting with financial statement with St. Mary students. I've already finished their first 3 chapters. I'm doing a bit of revision with them. And then I'll go ahead and start with financial statements. So अभी जो आपका कॉलेज का टाइम है वो कितने बजे से कितने बजे है? 11:30 to? अच्छा, so you can come at 3:45. And anyways, after this week, when your vacations are also starting, from today even their holidays have started. So अगले हफ्ते से मैं बैच ऐसे रख दूँगी कि मैं बैक टू बैक रख दूँगी ताकि आपको बार बार आना जाना नहीं पड़े. Okay. So then you sit for this batch and then immediately you sit for the next batch. Because there's one girl over there, even she wants to sit for issue of shares. So whoever wants to do that way, he can do it. So at one stretch, I'll take a batch of 3 hours, 1.5 of yours and 1.5 of yours. I cannot combine it because the topics are different. I'll be combining it yourself. आर्यन आ रहा है आपको बैलेंस शीट आ रही है होमवर्क करना है and whatever homework I'm giving you today that also should be completed, okay? Please do not miss the homework. Good presentation. Notes का है बिना notes के ऐसे ले लिए टोटल लेजर से टोटल करके
जर्नल से
हाँ वही जर्नल से जर्नल का नाम से Yeah, please complete the notes. And how did you get these 18 lakh and all directly from the journal letter? Okay. You're writing the narration for the journal?
I'm writing, like, I skipped one because you just...
Yeah, I can see that. He's right now. You skipped 2 in fact. उसके
Yeah.
पीछे वाला भी skip हुआ.
I'll do this.
Yeah, narration में लिखोगे marks नहीं मिलेंगे exam में. ठीक है सर, अच्छे से लिखो. कितना करना? Done? Yes? Okay, now write down. So all this was issue of shares for cash. Now we are starting with the issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Clear? Now under this, actually we're going to see different situations. So यहाँ पे हमें देखो क्या क्या लिखना है. The first situation here we will be seeing that we are issuing shares to promoters. We will have to see issue of shares to underwriters, and then issue of shares to vendors. Under vendors, furthermore to situation 1 for the purchase of assets. Second, for business purchase. So हर जगह हमें two entries देखनी. Here we are going to pass 2 entries, here 2 entries, here 2 entries, here 2 entries. So in totality, we need to see 8 journal entries in this particular scenario. Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Now why this situation has to come? What do you feel? Why this situation would be there in the company?
Lack of cash.
Exactly, very good. Maybe company has got insufficient funds, or maybe company doesn't want to give cash to these people as of now because company feels that issuing shares is much better. That way their share capital will also increase, and even these people will be beneficial. But definitely the major issue over here is insufficient funds. The company has got insufficient funds because company has just started, so they don't have sufficient capital. They don't have sufficient reserves and surplus. तो कंपनी को लगेगा यार हम शेयर्स तो इशू कर ही रहे हैं, लोगों को भी शेयर्स ही दे देते हैं, दे अग्री टू इट, है ना? So instead of giving cash, you give them shares. So that's why we wrote other than cash. Consideration other than cash. So what is that consideration other than cash? Shares. Okay, now in this particular journal entry for business purchase which will be passing, along with shares, you will notice that we are giving them a little amount of bank draft sometimes. You will notice that we are giving them bills payable sometimes. That's a promissory note. Okay, so all these additions will be there here for business purchase, not for the others, not for promoters and underwriters, but only for business purchase. We can give them the money, we can break it up into different parts, like you keep 1 lakh equity shares, you keep 10,000 bank draft, you keep 20,000 bills payable, something like that. Understanding? Clear? Okay. So give the heading, issue of shares to promoters. Let's see these journal entries one by one. First one, issue of shares to promoters. Now who are promoters? चलो बताओ. सबसे पहले तो मुझे आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि promoters होते कौन हैं. Who are these people? These are the people who have got an idea of forming the company. These are the people, these are the initial, you can say they are the first director, they are the initial people of the company who are trying to incorporate the company. So when they are incorporating the company, they are definitely incurring some initial expenses out here. So those initial expenses are known as what? Those initial expenses are known as incorporation cost, or we also call them preliminary expenses. So these are the initial expenditure which these promoters are incurring in order to incorporate the company, in order to form the company. Clear? So now obviously when they are incurring these kind of expenditure here, when the company is formed and the company starts, in that particular financial year, they will have to record these transactions. Yes? So in order to record this transaction, again our incorporation cost is an expense for the company. So क्या करोगे? Debit the expenses. But money is not going out. They're not paying money here. It's consideration other than cash. So to bank लिखने की बजाय हम क्या लिखेंगे? We'll write down to promoters because the money is payable to promoters. Understanding? So create an entry here. Incorporation cost account debit to promoters account being incorporation cost payable टू प्रमोटर। पेबल की एंट्री आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो, जैसे आप क्रेडिटर को क्रेडिट करते हो ऐसे ही आप यहाँ पे प्रमोटर को क्रेडिट कर रहे हो। इज दैट क्लियर? Now what you're going to do, you're going to reverse the promoter and you're going to give him shares and not cash. तो प्रमोटर को जो आपने क्रेडिट किया है उसको क्या करोगे पेमेंट करते वक्त? अब रिवर्स करोगे। वी हैव लर्न ऑल दिस इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड आल्सो। क्या सीखा था 11th में? देखो कैसे एंट्री पास करते थे आप। यू यूज्ड टू से परचेजेस टू क्रेडिटर्स एंड देन यू यूज्ड टू रिवर्स द क्रेडिटर्स एंड देन यू यूज्ड टू से टू कैश और टू बैंक, है ना? ऐसे करते थे ना। सेम वे गोना रिवर्स द प्रमोटर बट नो कैश बैक हियर। टू शेयर कैपिटल, clear? Because you're issuing shares and not giving money, correct? In shares issued to promoters against what? Against incorporation cost. Clear? I hope this makes sense. Yes? Similar way we have to do the entries for others as well. So अब मुझे बताओ कि प्रमोटर का ही फंडा लगाते हुए अगर मुझे अंडर राइटर के लिए एंट्री क्रिएट करनी है, आई नीड टू क्रिएट 2 more entries for underwriters. Who are underwriters? Underwriters are the people, they are like the agents of the company who will take the initiative that we will help you out in issuing the shares to the public. Okay, तो अंडरराइटर को आप क्या दोगे उसके बदले में? आप अंडरराइटर को अंडरराइटिंग कमीशन दो। तो अंडरराइटिंग कमीशन को आप क्या करोगे बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स में? अगेन डेबिट करोगे बिकॉज इट्स एन एक्सपेंस फॉर द कंपनी। ओके, सो राइट डाउन टू, आई विल वाइंड अप आफ्टर दिस। ओके, issue of shares to underwriters. 1. Under writing commission account debit. It's payable to whom? Payable to underwriter. Underwriter's account. 2nd, underwriter's account debit to whom? To share capital account. और अगर आपने बाई चांस इनको प्रीमियम के साथ शेयर्स दे दिए, अगर आपने इन दोनों को प्रमोटर को और अंडरराइटर को प्रीमियम के साथ शेयर्स दे दिए तो क्या कर दोगे? इन बोथ दीज एंट्रीज यू कैन जस्ट ऐड अप टू शेयर सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम टू सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम। अगर प्रीमियम पे दे दो तो प्रीमियम को ऐड कर दो एंड यू नो दैट प्रीमियम इज ऑलवेज credited. But usually to promoters and underwriters we won't give a premium. Usually to vendors we give a premium. That will be the next case. So in case of vendor there are 2 situations, against the assets purchase and against the business purchase. This I'm going to give you in the next lecture, and then we're going to be practicing few questions on this, and then we're going to wind up this topic in the next lecture. इस टॉपिक पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और खत्म हो जाएगा। इसके बाद फ्राइडे को I'm going to be starting with over subscription, and that's going to be really important from there on. इस पे भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं आपके एग्जाम में, 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आते हैं, they're pretty easy. This 2 entries you have to pass. Okay?
So I had a doubt with like a previous one. Like in our college service, that is that in common the P&L. COMC and then the finished good changes in inventory finished good always added up to COMC, but it should be only raw material.
COMC is actually related to material only, not goods.
So it should only be purchases plus raw material.
Purchase,
it will change in inventory
it
of
will
raw
be purchases of raw material plus it will be opening inventory of raw material minus closing inventory of raw material. And in case if there are any direct expenses there in purchasing the raw material, then you add those also. Direct expenses of Only raw material. Everything has to be related to raw material.
So
Why? Why? I'll tell you the reason why. Because after CAOMC, you write down the another term, another head which is known as purchases of stock in trade. तो जो goods होते हैं ना, जो आप goods purchase करते हो और बेचते हो, as it is, जो आप goods as it is purchase करके as it is बेचते हो, those goes to stock in trade. जो goods आप further processing करते हो, जो material आप further processing करते हो, that goes to COMC.
So opening minus closing of raw material is changes in inventory of raw material, right?
So this opening minus closing will give you the changes in inventories.
So like sir was saying that changes of finished goods and all is also economics. Like
No, that is another head. Okay. After purchase of stock in trade, third head क्या होता है? Changes in inventories. And ये जो changes in inventories है, this is for what? Changes in inventories of finished goods, of SIT, of WIT. ये सिर्फ इन तीनों का रहता है. Not raw material. Raw material का changes यहाँ आ गया ना, ये changes तो हो रहे हैं ना raw material के. Opening stock minus closing stock is changes in inventories.
So if they say only changes in inventories, what do we take it as?
Just take it as a finished good.
Finished good, right?
Yeah, then that should come here. It's just changes in inventory.
Because sir
It
was
will directly go to changes in inventory.
so saying if it comes only changes in inventory, so you have to subtract it from COMC and then write purchases.
No,
And
no, no, no.
So that's
It has to be material.
Right.
Changes in inventories of raw material हो जाएगा. See, raw material, everything related to raw material will go to COMC. Everything related to goods will go to purchases of stock in trade. Apart from raw material, whatever closing stock you have, opening stock minus closing stock, that will go to changes in inventory. So there is a logic behind it. Maybe
we confused me completely yesterday.
but this is the only logic. You can check your textbook also.